Good morning. Our next question is prove that the length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. To solve this question, we need to draw a circle and a point which is outside of the circle. Let's take a center O and a radius R and take an perpendicular to radius to that point. Now make both the tangent same. This point is T, this point is R, and this point is P. So in this question we will prove that the length of both the tangent are equal by CPCT method. So what is this CPCT method? This method is the corresponding part of an congruent triangle are equal. To solve this we need to prove that two properties of both the triangle are similar. So in triangle TRO and in triangle TPO, the angle TRO make angle 90 degree, and same in angle TPO, it is 90 degree. So there is one similarity in both the triangle. Next, the OT side is common in both of the triangle, and another is RO and OP. They both are equal because they are the radius of circle. Then we can say that the line TR is equal to line TP, and here hence proof. Thank you.